咁我師傅咧就譚漢，佢就係7寸，我就係8寸。This morning we're in Hong Kong and we came to Subay Logan's facility in Tai Phong, Hong Kong. And it's a fantastic place, as you can see here. And it's a kind of a place where you can learn different martial arts under some fantastic teachers. Let's go in and let's have a look. 注重春秋二祭，春咧就係清明，秋。
Hey, Jasper.
誒，早晨，早晨，
Good
早
to see you.
晨。
Long time no see. Wan Kamlung Sifu.
你好，你好。
One of the great masters here, Mark.
Hey, good to
Jasper,
see you
long
again.
time no see. How are you?
Good, good.
Welcome,
Thank you, thank you.
welcome. Wan Sifu is the guy to talk to.
Excellent, and thank you very much for
Oh,
the help setting it up.
absolutely my pleasure.
Thank you to Wan Sifu for participating in
A living treasure of our martial club.
Thank you. 香港環境咧就好複雜嘅，真係唔係講笑㗎。曬市區日行出街你俾人打㗎啦，分分鐘。當然啦，細個俾人打過，咁啊想學啲嘢保護自己啊。嗰陣時好窮啊，學唔到啊，冇錢學。20歲到啦，出嚟做嘢即個功夫咯。咁啊當然啦，睇到好多雜誌啊、書啊、表演啊，啲朋友講下邊個好啦，就走兩三家武館去學。咁啊有啲嘢點睇啊，咁啊自己知噶嘛。咁後尾去到咧，人哋話譚漢嗰邊好喎，叫嶺南棍王啊，依叫棍王喎。咁人哋打出嚟噶嘛，唔係講出嚟噶嘛。咁咪試下啦。咁啊去到師傅話：師傅對我好好啊。咁啊仲係拜師嘅禮啦。咁咧又師傅幫你報奏晒帶，跟住開拳咯，我叫。開拳咧就教你點樣第一次咧就開拳咯，咁跟住咧就其他師兄弟喺度咧就會執手啊，咁跟住咧教咧就師傅教啊，跟住執咧就師兄弟執啊咁。後尾咧漸漸學下，原來越嚟越識多啲嘢咧，原來師傅係一個即係叫做資深嘅前輩啊，咁喺武林上江湖上都係有名嘅。咁啊就越學越耐咯，咁啊嗰度至到師傅死嗰時先至完咗。咁我好啦，我除咗學譚家三戰之後咧，咁我喺公園嗰時見到，咦點解咁多人玩太極嘅？咁呢中國嘅嘢咁梗有原因㗎嘛，咁咪接觸下咯，就上咗精武體育館，咁啊學埋太極。咦太極個師傅覺得啊你咁中意嗰時咧太極係打㗎，我哋唔識太極咧，係啊鄭明光嗰支水啊去打嘅，佢哋有邊幾個啦？鄭明光有嘅鄭天雄啊。胡勝啊嗰班咯，同埋張耀強啊嗰班咧打㗎，都打過啲冠軍擂台賽嘅。咁我哋譚家三點呢邊咧就有幾個冠軍咯，陳麗敏啦，同埋咧陳剛咯都打過冠軍嘅。咁有其他師兄弟都好出名咧，有啲咁我係最差嘅，係咪講笑我最差嘅？咁就打過擂台啊咁樣後生嗰時又年少氣盛又出去開個片咁咯，而家冇㗎啦。咁我如果喺譚家三戰同埋太極咧，我都算係OK 啦，唔好話得啊。咁啊真係都算你問我嘅嘢都應該答到你咯嚇。咁我係咪前輩我唔敢講啊嚇。總之喺呢方面咧有啲心得咁咯。咁跟住咧喺精武體育會咧我都學埋鷹爪嘅。咁個師傅都好出名嘅，叫做張俊鼎。咁師公咧就陳子正，係鷹爪王嚟嘅，叫做咁咧學咗7-8年。但係我咧就可能鷹爪師傅對我咧覺得可能你百厭得滯啊，成日打交啊，或者資質唔好，咁啊教得好少嘢喎，係真嘅，冇所謂㗎呢啲嘢。嗰個師徒係有緣分㗎，冇緣分就冇㗎啦。